Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with another lesson in Braille and how you erase those dots so no one will even know you brailled it wrong. So I am using wax paper and I'm using a ballpoint pen. It has to have a little rolly ball on it. And I was taught this to me by my incredible blind instructor, Ted Lennox, a TVI, teacher of the visually impaired, to live up to. He was way ahead of his time. Anyway, I put a light on it so you can actually see the Braille. So the first one is an H, and I am going to erase that dot 5. And yes, you can leave this in your Brailler and do the exact same thing. So you can even feel your dots over here. And what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can, anyway, I'm going to have to just verbally tell you. So I'm putting my finger on the dot 5, and what you do is you take the pen and you press it straight down on the dot first, and then you do little circles, okay? And just go around in circles, and then you go up and down to really make sure that dot is flattened out. Okay, just take your time, especially if you're going for your Braille certification. Boy, you do not want those mistakes to be showing. Okay, and there I go. I remove it. Let me get my light. Look at that! A perfect B. We love it. Okay, let's move to the L now. And once again, now I'm going to get rid of the dot 3 so everybody can kind of take a look at that L and how beautiful that is. I'm going to place my wax paper over. Choose a different area. Don't use the same one. Now, once again, I'm going to go straight down on dot 3. I'm going to go little round circles, and then go back and forth and it is much, much better than a Braille eraser. You just want to really make sure you get all that. Nice thing is, even if you miss a little corner, you can immediately put the wax paper back. Okay, let's let the light catch up, and look at that, a beautiful bee. And I can actually see and feel just a smidge of that dot 3. So I'm just going to bring my pen back over with a new piece of that wax paper on it and remove it and wait for the light to catch up. Look at that, a perfect B. Okay, so let's go ahead and move to this A. Hanging out there, let's go ahead and just totally get rid of that A. Here we go. Move the wax paper back over. Pen straight down on the dot. You always want to take it from the dot because that's where the highest area is. And then go around in circles and then up and down and back and forth. And don't worry, it is a really easy trick to get down. Okay, and then remove it and wait until the light catches up. Look at that. No dot A. Okay, so that is how incredibly easy erasing dots is, completely and thoroughly, as if you never brailled it. Once again, waxy paper, waxy side down, ballpoint pen, little round tip, and you can do it any place. Even the slate and stylus, because the great thing about the slate and stylus is it has the holes where you can actually open it up, see that you made a mistake, put it back, and then of course re-braille it. Well, open it up, erase your dot, then put it back and re-braille it. So that is the incredible trick on erasing Braille.